YouTube channel. Today our topic is important objective bits of similar triangles, which is useful for 10th class students of state Telangana and also Andhra Pradesh. Of course, it is very useful for cbse students also. Let's start the class. Dear children, our first problem is in the given figure PB parallel to FC and DP parallel to EF. Then AD by DE value we need to find. And the options are given 1 by 3, 3 by 4, 1 by 4 and 2 by 3. And the figure is given A, B, C, D, E, F and P here. My dear students, one thing I would like to say, PB parallel to FC. Now we check. PB parallel to FC. If we not give that statement, if we mention these symbols, it is enough to say that these two are parallel. Because of generally parallel lines will be represented with these symbols. See here. Here also we can say that DP parallel to EF. Sometimes there is a possibility that he may not give this one. And directly he will represent the symbols here. And the plus point is here he has given these two hints as well he mentioned in the diagram also. Sometimes he will give these symbols and he may not give these two hints. Okay, come to the point. Here we need to find AD by DE. AD by DE. My dear students, there is one problem in exercise. We have solved this type of problem. You should have aware of that one. Let me explain here. AB by AC, as we have parallel lines in this triangle. Which triangle? AFC. In this, these two are parallel. So by basic proportionality theorem, we can say that AB by BC is equal to AP by PF. In the same way, if you see AFE, in this DP parallel to EF, that's why AP by PF is equal to AD by DE. Hope you understand. Once again I am repeating, my dear. AB by BC equal to AP by PF. AP by PF is equal to AD by DE. Hope you understand. So by these two equations we can say that AB by BC is equal to AD by DE. Let me write here to understand clearly. AB divided by BC. AB divided by BC equal to AB. Don't see these numbers from 2 here and 8 here, that's secondary. Now once you see this first figure, AB divided by BC is equal to AP divided by PF. Completed. Again in this triangle, AP divided by PF is equal to AD divided by DE. How we took all these? By basic proportionality theorem, or we can call it as Thales theorem. What Thales theorem says? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, we'll divide the other two sides in the same ratio. Based on that basic proportionality theorem, we took these. Now observe here, my dear, AP by PF, AP by PF, both are same. That's why we can conclude that AB by BC is equal to AD by DE. So ultimately this is the final answer. So what I mean to say here, AD by DE we need to find. So we can write it as AB by BC. AB by BC. But what we have, my dear? AB 2. What is BC then? He did not give BC length here. So by the help of 8 minus 2, we can make it as 6. Because of 2 plus 6 will become 8, no? Hence, BC is 6. So here AD by DE is equal to AB by BC, AB 2 divided by BC 6. Now you calculate it. 2 into 1, 2, 3. So 1 by 3. Do we have the option in this? Yes. Here option A, first option is 1 by 3. Like this we need to find, my dear. So what I mean to suggest here easily, without calculating all these, just to remember AB by BC is equal to AD by DE. So this problem is very important, my dear. This type of problem is there in your exercise. That's why you practice thoroughly that solution and as well this objective also. Dear children, come to the second question. In a right angle triangle with integral sides, at least one of its measurements must be multiple of 3, multiple of 9, multiple of 2 and multiple of 7. So here by reading this statement, no one can get perfect idea of this question, my dear. But in public examination, he asked this question. So let me explain. Here right angle triangle with integral sides. Here you take one right angle triangle, my dear. Here purely he is speaking about the Pythagorean triplets. Let us consider this is right angle and it will be the hypotenuse. Always remember, hypotenuse is m square plus n square. This is the form of hypotenuse. And any one of its side, either this one or this one, can be taken as 2mn. And then other side will become m square minus n square. So remember, my dear, always hypotenuse can be taken in terms of m square plus n square because of this is the longest side. And in these two, either you can take this one as 2mn or this side can be taken as m square minus n square. But ultimately, Pythagorean triplets are these. In this, if you observe 2mn, it is in the form of an even number. You take any Pythagorean triplet, my dear, like 24, 25, 7, 3, 4, 5. These are Pythagorean triplets. Like this, if you take any example, observe that there will be at least one even number. Listen to me carefully. At least I said, I did not say that only one even number. At least one even number. There is a possibility of getting 3 even numbers also. Hence, here multiple of 3 cannot say. Every time it is not possible. Here see, this is the multiple of 3, also even number. And multiple of 9, here multiple of 9 is not there. So like this, if you observe, always multiple of 2 is possible. At least one of the side will be Pythagorean triplet. Hence, C, multiple of 2 is the right answer. Now, third question. Express x in terms of a, b, c in the following figure. Here diagram is given and also options are given that x is equal to ac by b plus c, x is equal to bc by b plus c, x is equal to b plus c by ac, and at last x is equal to ab by a plus c. So we need to find here. My dear, in the previous problem he has given the lines are parallel, but here he did not mention anything. So first of all, our aim is to prove that these two are parallel because we have only these two lines in this triangle. So these two must be parallel, then only we can proceed. Now come to the point. Here 46 is given, my dear. Here also 46 is given. It means these two angles are equal. So corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel to each other. It is given. So with the help of this 46, we prove that these two lines are parallel. Now as the topic of basic proportionality theorem we discussed in the previous problem, similarly here too we can discuss. See that. What basic proportionality theorem says? If two lines are parallel to each other, then if a line is parallel to one side of a triangle, will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. So B by C is equal to LP by PK. We don't have LP value. He did not give PK value also. So this basic proportionality theorem is not applicable here. So what to do next then? If these two angles are equal, then we can equate these two angles are also equal because of parallel we proved. Hence corresponding angles will be equated. And then observe this small triangle and this big triangle. In this K angle is common, my dear. So what you observe? Take this small triangle first. Triangle P and K. Triangle P and K. P and K. What is P angle equal to? L. So here you write L. What is N angle is equal to M. So you write M here. And what is K value is equal to K itself. So K here. So what you conclude by this? Triangle PNK is similar to triangle LMK. So here these two are similar to each other. Now come to the point, my dear. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Hence, here small triangle X divided by big triangle side is A. Right here. Once again I am repeating, my dear. The small triangle length and big triangle length, two are corresponding sides. So X by A is equal to, here small triangle length is C divided by big triangle length, not B, my dear. Most of the students may take only B. This is wrong. Why? Because they may observe that X by A is equal to C by B. Not like that. X by A is equal to small letter C by big triangle is nothing but B plus C. B plus C comes here. And then after, we need to find X. So take X as subject. In this case, send this A to numerator. So what you will get? X is equal to A into C in cross multiplication. A into C by B plus C. So this will be the final answer. Do we have any options here? A, C by B plus C. See here. First option is right. So like this we can find the solution, my dear. First you have to check whether BPT is possible or not. If it is not applicable, you go for similar triangle. Now listen to me. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, AD equal to 1.5 centimeters, BD is equal to 6 centimeters, AE is equal to X centimeters, EC is equal to 8 centimeters. Then what is the value of X? And the options are given 2.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 3.5 centimeters. My dear, here he did not mention any diagram. Better to take the diagram with the help of these given hints. What he has given? ABC is a triangle. Draw a triangle. And DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. So we have taken one diagram. Parallel is nothing but I took here symbols also. Right. Now AD is equal to 1.5. So you write here 1.5. BD is equal to 6. Right here. And AE is equal to X. EC is equal to 8 centimeters. Then we need to find X value. It's very clear, my dear. So here this is by basic proportionality theorem. 1.5 by 6 equal to X by 8. It is enough. And in a simplest way we can say this is 1.5 and it is 6. 4 1.5 makes 6. So here 4, you have to divide 8 by 4. So you will get X is equal to here 2. Means 1.5 into 4, 6. 2 4s are 8. So most probably 2 will be the option. If you not understand this simple concept, you do one thing. Go for regular calculation like 1.5 divided by 6. As per basic proportionality theorem, if a line parallel to one side of a triangle will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. 1.5 by 6 is equal to X divided by 8. Now cross multiplication. 6X is equal to 1.5 into 8. Then X value is equal to 1.5 into 8 by 6. For moreover, as we have 1.5, you can make it as 15 by 10 into 8 into 6 and here into 8. Then 5 2s are 10, 5 3, 2 1, 2 4, 3 1, 3 2, 2 2. So finally you will get 2. This is a big calculation, but simplest way is 1.5 into 4 is 6. So 2 into 4 will be 8. That's why X is equal to 2. This is the shortcut method to find X value. Let's go for fifth question. In triangle ABC with angle A is equal to 90 degrees, from A perpendicular AD is drawn on BC. Which one of the following is not correct? Now here 4 options were given, my dear. So first what you have to do is, you take one diagram to satisfy the given statement. Here A equal to 90 degrees. Angle A is 90 degrees right here. So ultimately these two will be BC. And what he has given? From A, perpendicular AD is drawn on BC. On BC, from A, perpendicular line is drawn, that is AD. So this is 90. Obviously this one also will be 90 because of linear pair. Now see these options, my dear. So directly if you see the options, you cannot understand anything. You cannot justify anything. So what to do? First you concentrate on this diagram, my dear. Here we have two triangles. So these two triangles are, in this whole triangle, we have two small triangles. So these two triangles are similar to each other. How do you know? This one we have proved in the proof of Pythagorean theorem. So here what can you write? And one more. While you are taking these two similar, some students may think that these two angles are equal. In this top triangle, this angle, and down triangle, these two angles are equal. So it's not like that, my dear. Some members may think that 45, 45. Not like that. So this angle is equal to this angle. So x is equal to x. Now here, this is y. Hence, you can take this angle also as y. These two angles are equal. Now come to the point. We need to take these are similar. Triangle ADC is similar to triangle ADC, means x 90 y. Now here x 90 y, that means BDA. Triangle BDA. These are similar. And next, one more you observe, in this angle B. Angle B is equal to, with comparatively big triangle, what is similar? Angle B is x. So what can you take, my dear? Angle B is equal to angle B. So here common angle B. And in big triangle, here D is 90 degrees, my dear. So in this big triangle, A is 90 degrees. So take here A. So BA, remaining is what? C. So here from this triangle we can get these three. Once you observe ABC, ABC. So second, first, third. Now you see a second, first, third. Second, first, third. Okay, happy. Now second, first, third. DAC, DAC. So this is right. So this is the right answer. Do you think like that? No, my dear, this is wrong. Why? Because what he said, not correct, we need to select. This is the right one, but we need to select not correct. You have to read the question properly first. Right. Now this is the right one. Now come to here. ABC, ABC. So second, first, third. So here second, first, third. DAC. So this is also right one. And come to here. ABC, ABC. Second, first, third. Next, DBA, second, first, third. Yes, so this is also right. Now left over only this one. We see whether it is right or not. DAC, where we have DAC? D, A and C. So here D, B and A. D, B and A. We did not get here. Hope you understand. Once again you observe. DA, first we have to take. So DB, first we have to take. DB. Here B must be there. And then A comes here. So we don't have this. So this is the right option. These are not. As per this question. Why? Because this is the wrong one. Wrong one we need to select. Hope you understand, my dear. Like this we can do the solution.